Do you love your coffee nice and piping hot? Well, so do I. And sometimes though, I get distracted. I may be on the computer typing away or watching a really good movie, and then I forget to take a sip. And then when I do, it's cold or room temperature. I don't like that. So then I have to get up and microwave my cup of coffee, sometimes yet again, and it gets annoying. So what I really love is this mug warmer that was sent from Oracer. It is awesome. It has 2 settings, warm as well as hot, and it also is very easy to use. It also has an 8-hour auto shut-off, but if I lift off my cup for more than 5 minutes, it's gonna auto shut off then as well. Awesome. Let me show you a close-up so you can see what it looks like. Now, as you can see, it is solid right here in red. That means it is on and it's hot. Now, once I take it off, as you can see, it starts blinking. 5 minutes of this and it's gonna auto turn off. But as soon as I put it back on, it turns solid. Now, if I push it again, this is in the warm setting. If I take it off, it starts blinking again. So both of them work like that. And if I push it again, it turns off. This is nice and hot, so be careful. So to turn it back on, I just turn it on. Now this has an auto shut off after 8 hours. Perfect. I love that built-in feature. I love that it has a 5-foot cord because sometimes you don't have an outlet nearby. And speaking of nearby, I always love having my coffee with me. So that's why I have another coffee mug warmer actually. So I keep one downstairs on the end table while I'm watching TV and another one upstairs when I'm in my home office. So definitely recommend these. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!